I created an app to connect a client, MySQL, to my IDE, Eclipse, that is Java. Since MySQL and Java are different languages, we needed a tool to be able to do like the translation from languages, and this is what the POM file is. To create a POM file, we had to create a Maven project to do this. Let's see what my Maven dependency is. And I made a connector. I'm looking for my POM file here. That is written in XML format with the group ID that is starts always opposite, so com.prominutech. We're using the artifact ID to connect MySQL with Java with the version 0.001 snapshot. The dependencies is MySQL connector, and this is the version of Java I am using. I have to download some plugins from the Apache organization. I copied this from this compiler here for the build, and from the repository I copy the dependencies. And that's pretty much the first step to do this. After that, I went to my environment, that is MySQL Java, and created different packages for my projects. So I created the source Java, the project package with an app that is very decoupled. This is where I would run the app from. I created the DAO project to create the connection to my client using the credentials I used and all these wildcards in SQL that would allow me to find the host port schema, username, password, and this is what this is, JDBC for Java database connector to MySQL using the port 3306 and the schema that is going to be here, and with the user and password we're going to pass that. And we did an exception file that is a class that extends the runtime exception, and this is a good way to decouple the application in case there are errors. Let me see if I can find MySQL here. I created a project schema by using create a schema, and obviously I'm not going to do this because I already did that. And then I went to administration, where I was able to create added an account for projects. Okay, so after I did that, all I did was to go here to my app, and I had to run it as a Java application, and my connection was successful. And this is something I did here in the connection with this printout. So everything worked, which is great. I'm going to show again my different sections of the project, and this is by following the video exactly as Dr. Rob explained. This is pretty cool.